guys, Taylor here, your Backstage Beautician, and today I'm joined with my friend Bridget.
Hi!
And we are filming the third video in our 4-part series of Little Women hairstyles.
Woo. Whoop, whoop, whoop.
In the show, Bridget plays
Jo March,
my little sister.
Yay!
And in the show, Jo is the quintessential tomboy. She would have just thrown her hair up, not bothered at all. So we did a really simple hairstyle today. Without any further ado, let's get started.
Yay! Woo!
So before we started, I threw some curls in Bridget's hair to give it some body and definition. I used my 1-inch Conair curling iron. Okay, first thing we're going to do is create 2 French braids on either side of the head. So separate out the hair just in front of the ears. And this is the hair we're going to use to French braid backwards. I'm going to separate out a few pieces at the bottom to allow some wispies to fall out, since Jo would probably not care too much about her hairstyle. And then we're going to French braid. So take this section, so split it into 3 pieces, and braid normally. Bridget has a lot of hair, so we can afford to add a lot of hair to this. We won't lose any in the skirt of the hair. Feel free to fluff out the braid for a little more volume if you want. Then put a clear elastic on the end. Then do the same thing on the other side. Separate out the hair in front of the ears. Splitting the hair into 3 sections, braid normally towards the back of your head. Then fluff out the braids again. All right, then take your 2 braids and bring them together in the back of the head and tie them together with an elastic. If you want, you can take the clear elastics out of the end of the braid so they fall out naturally. Then if you're feeling really fancy, I'm gonna take a bit of rope. You can use twine or cording or leather cord or whatever you like. Then I'm going to wrap the string around the clear elastic to hide it. I chose to do this in the hair because I imagine that Jo would have been in quite a bit of rush. She would not have bothered with her hair and pinning it nicely like a lady. She would have just chucked in whatever she could find, and I'd imagine she'd have lots of string or cord or twine laying around. I'm just gonna cut the ends off. All right, and there we are. And that's all she styled. If you guys enjoyed today's video, maybe consider pressing the subscribe button down below so you can always be sure to get more videos from me.
Yeah, do it! Do it!
Thank you so much for watching, and as always, break a leg!